Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Tenzin here. Today I'm going to show you how Tibetans who came from Tibet living a humble and simple life here in Mundgod, Karnataka, South India. My friend invited me for dinner. It's Momo party. Yeah. Friend husband is coming to pick me up. So let's go together and enjoy this beautiful evening. Look at this monk, small monk. Hello. Hi, Lada. Oh, they're feeling shy. Bye. Bye-bye. So cute. Guys, here's my friend's husband, Sheila. Oh, we are going to his farm and we are going to buy some fruits for his son. Okay guys, we reached camp number 3 and going to buy some fruits for my friend's son. Let's pick it up. Hi. Namaste, ji. Kailan nyo? Banana, 1 dozen. Linyo ici. Yeah, so how much this one?
320.
320, 1 kg. कितना?
340.
Quay order. Going to buy watermelon.
This 170 apple, 50 banana, 50 watermelon.
Okay. Google Pay. Okay, done with shopping. Thank you. Now we are heading to friend's home. Shopping number 3. We reached friend's house. It's so hot here. Meow. Hello, Chila. Ching. Baby. Tom's. Tom's. Ching Tom's. Oh. Ching. Da da. Kato da. Kushu da. Linyuan da. Kema kwa. Kisam. Ma kema. Pool. Pool kora. Pool da amla. Pala. Namchi. Tu solun jira samde. Amchi. So chique. 밥도 미규던스 줄라게. Small bite. Chique. 룽골. Oh, yeah. Okay. Goodbye. Ow. Ah, he's eating banana. Banana. Oh, whoa. Oh, whoa. My friend is making Momo. Famous Momo. Wow, nice. Wow, so many momos. Momo party. Wow, Momo is done. Momo. Lee, chili sauce. Shut. We are having Momo now. Momo is ready. Ooh. Hi, baby. Cute baby. Hi. Oh. Now we're having Momo. Momo is so nice. Momo is so good. It's homemade Momo, so it's so special. Inside is like mushroom and glass noodle. Homemade Momo is always best one. Nice. 보고 유튜버 차대. 아. So many kids. Hello. Hi guys. Now we are going to have tea. Enjoyed Momo so much. Homemade Momo is always best one. It's just so good, juicy inside. Wow. Hello. Hi. My friends stay here is like, they call it camp number 10. It's given by Tibetan government to those Tibetan who arrive from Tibet. Boys. Tea time. 같이 진이 먹여. 진이 먹여. 긴이 진이 먹여라 말해. 나도 얘기를 싶거든. Best tea in the town. I'm having best tea in the town. Milk tea without sugar. So good. Heaven on earth. Hi everyone, we just had tea and then came here, this most holy place in this Tibetan settlement called Mundgod. We have to go from here like clockwise circulation. Yeah. 저다쇼. 쌈대 저다쇼. No. Very good.